Boom! We have 2 weeks to go to check DV Rotary status 2026. Wale mnaombaga ama wale mlipita, wale mshaipewa, ni maombi gani naombagwa? Kwa sababu hapa ni pale tunakaribiaga Mungu sana. Ni maombi ya toba ama ni maombi gani? Which prayer did you pray in this moment? Ama tunyamazie hivyo tu? Guys, what do you think if you feed on this? And by the way, before I state on this one, the DV Rota will be announced around date 3 to date 5 hapo, maximum date 7, but from there date 3 kuendelea unaweza check your DV Rotary status. What is in your mind? Mungu, nimekuwa nikifanya, now it is this time round, hatujui kunaenda aje. Now there will be people watachenjiwa tu maisha yao, na wako tu mahali tu wamezurura tu huko town, wanazurura hata hawana habari, but there are the people I know God will change their life, boom, like that. Na usidanganywe ati kwenda majuu huwezi change maisha, utachange. Guys, that is so amazing. Like, kuna mtu tu amekaa hivyo tu, next year tu, hata hana habari, hajui vile kunaendelea, but next year ako kwa airport, hata labda hajai travel tena. It's all about faith and trusting, na kukubali tu results vile tu zitakuja, lakini tuweke imani mbele. We give a big hope that the results will be positive, and we trust our God. Of course, everything will be well and fine. Now, for those people who didn't know how to look about it, if you have the confirmation number, do you know the confirmation number? Then after submitting, and then you got that number, it is successfully, you have submitted your documents, blah 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 blah, then kuna hiyo confirmation number. That is what you need only on that day, na bundles na data na maombi na imani. Hakuna kitu ingine unahitaji hiyo siku, ni ukae mahali mahali tu sawa. By the way, like last time, there is this guy who won his father, himself, his father and his mother. You can imagine, they tried 3 of them. Boma moja. Like, ikitu you cannot determine, like, huwezi jua. Imagine the guy tried for himself, akapewa, babake akapewa na mamake. One family, I'm talking of one family. And I have a testimony of one guy, a friend of mine, who fed it twice na akapewa, akajaza hii last year, hakutravel na akajaza hii nyingine na ikatokea. Sasa ndio unang'ang'ana na sadaka na kutubu. Kutubu ni kila season, ni kila time. Not at this moment. Kutubu ni kila wakati. Si kwa sababu unagoja, utagongwa na disappointment, my friend. Utajua Mungu hafanya hivyo kazi. You know, there is time that we waited, like unagoja ufanywe, unagoja a surprise. Like ile tulikuwa tunagoja wakati wa exam form 4 primary school. Sasa hiyo wakati unaomba. Ai, the reward is what you have been doing before. Not that okay, I don't mean that the prayer cannot change. Prayer really works, but mentality ya hivyo venye unajaribu kufikiria at it happens. I know the last minute can save a man, of course, even in prayer and in faith, yeah, but hiyo mentality ya kusomea mtihani juu inakuja, ama unakufikiria ati sasa ni kutoa sadaka, sasa ni kujiweka sawasawa. Kujiweka sawasawa ni from the day to one, and even before. That is what I believe, yeah. Yeah, hii kitu ni unaachilia tu and just it comes itself, inajiapia tu yenyewe na baraka tu inaenda. it will be the happiest month. The May of January, the month of May, for those people wenye wamekuwa confirmed at that, congratulations. I wish, but I pray that God will do something and we believe we shall celebrate the successful people na wenye watapata. Yeah, so that is it. So what you need is just a confirmation number, and if you lost the confirmation number, you should not worry much. Unajua kuna wale like you are being told to save that number somewhere. You save it somewhere. It will be easy for you to fill in because haitakuhitaji uende mambo mingi sana, but there is also a place where you can fill forgotten password, like you forgot confirmation number, itakuambia uconfirm the name, itakuambia uconfirm your name, your ID and something, and then itakupea new confirmation number immediately. Ni kama ile tu ya forgot password. So if you misplace the confirmation number, should not worry less, but it's also good for a good record. Just keep it. I know a testimony of one guy who filled it 20 times akawini ya 21st. Right. Na ni mzee alienda US. Unajua the advantage of this one, even if you are 60 plus na uko juu, you can go. So imagine jamaa alienda na alikuwa over 50 plus, but alikuwa amejaza 20 years back the line. Like boom. Hadi mtoto wake alikuwa amemtangulia, like mtoto wake bado alikuwa amejaza na akamtangulia na akaendanga. But yeah, he keep on that consistency. So it's all about faith. I believe that we will not fill those many years. We shall not wait for long. But with the best time God has prepared for us, for you, for your brother, for your sister, for your son, for your daughter, it will really appear when the right time comes. God will make it happen. So worry less. Continue with your work. Na usiambie watu ninaenda majuu ati you umejaza green card. You wait the results. If they are really out and they have a positive result, then definitely proceed from there. Then that is all about it. That's all about it. No, there's many people have tried it 20 times, 30 times. Wengine hata wakasema kali wali hata huku naweza tutafanikiwa, yeah? But I believe the best time God have decided, it's you to relocate you. Haijalishi, it doesn't matter, it doesn't, you know, like last year almost 30 million people, Kenya people walijaza hizo green card. Unashangaa hadi kwani mpaka watoto wa primary wanataka kupotea Kenya. 30 million plus, almost 30 million plus. Kenya mtu akiweza pata nafasi ya unaweza. Kasongo is not bringing your happiness sana. Things are not really working much. I don't mean that things are not going on, they are working on, but anyway, let's hope for the best. We have 2 weeks to go, and wish for everyone a success. Mwenye amepata, mwenye itaenda vile itaenda, mambo ni ya Mungu. Hii vitu ni spiritual. Hii vitu inakuwaga imegawanywa. Huko Mungu anakuwa ameshagawanya kitambo. It's only that time to reach out. Yeah? The number inakuwa around from 0 to around 55,000 wale wanachukua, I think in Africa. Other Asian countries, I'm not sure about how it goes, by the way. But I still believe that they also, I don't know how they consider Asian country, but in Africa around, I think by hiyo dividend, I think it's worldwide, maximum of 0 to 55,000. I think something of the sort. Those who have the information, they can tell us more. So thank you guys. See you at the top.